is. Gonna bang, watch it, watch it, watch it. Oh yeah.
This one bang.
Yeah, it will.
Wait for it, wait for it.
Trust me. Bang.
Bang!
Oh no, I didn't bang.
Did bang.
Huh?
Twice.
All the other three just stop. No. Our cyclist just stopped, but that bike was an idiot. Right, the time, there's a clock on there somewhere actually. When did I see a clock? I saw a clock somewhere.
There wasn't a clock.
Yeah, there was. There was. I saw a clock somewhere. Yeah, I'm looking now actually. I saw a clock this side. That's the date, it's 50-50. Right, time's now 15:15 and we wait for our passing serving bound for...
Last updated?
Yeah, it's just probably be the time, it'll probably be updated now. And we wait for our passing service bound for Brighton from Ash International. I should move down when they come because this would be good. We can see pevensey most down from here, and as far as we can tell, it is down, I think. Yeah, it's down. There she is. Come down now. Yeah, you can, but just don't get blown away.
Keep waving.
Oh god. 1778! Big mate! 1778! Alright, and Anne. Thank God she didn't really